If you're choosing between Simply Piano and Skoove, this isn't just piano app versus piano app. It's beginner-friendly lessons versus structured music education. So, which piano app is actually better? Let's break it down. Simply Piano is designed to get beginners playing quickly. It offers interactive lessons, song-based learning, and real-time feedback that makes learning feel fun and approachable. That makes it a great choice for complete beginners and casual learners. But here's the catch. If you want deeper music theory and more structured progression, you may outgrow it. Skoove takes a different approach. It combines interactive lessons with music theory, technique, and instructor guidance to build stronger long-term piano skills. That makes it a better fit for learners who want a more comprehensive education. The downside is that the pace can feel slower, especially if your goal is simply to start playing songs. So which piano app is better? Choose Simply Piano if you want fun, beginner-friendly lessons, and quick progress. Choose Skoove if you want more structured learning, music theory, and long-term skill development. Bottom line, Simply Piano is the better choice for most beginners because it's easy to follow and highly engaging. But if you're serious about becoming a better pianist, Skoove offers a more complete learning experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.